Here we go. Getting a little of what's going on right here. Check this out. 30 minutes or less. This is what we just did. We're like iron workers with the wood. We don't play. We get our Thor bar and digging bars. We kill it. That's what we do. This is Bruce right here in the left side, prying apart. Look at him. Look at him prying. He getting it. He's a nobody. You gotta get this off and done. Hey, bud, how you doing? You guys are getting famous. I'll have to get you guys some lettuce. Yeah, look at this. Oh no, it's on the post. It's on the post. Oh, you got a dent. Oh my, you got a dent. Okay. Until next time, everybody. You see what we got going on? That's it. That's destruction at its best. Let me tell you. Look at that. We're getting it apart. Got the new framing started in the front. You'll see what happens. Not even playing. Look at this. This is what we gotta do. Break this down. This ain't no joke. Okay, get outside your block. Yeah.
Well, Marky's got concrete here to do.
Yeah, you got concrete here to do, Mark. Don't be slacking. Don't be slacking.
Fucked it up the first time, now you gotta fix it.
Yeah, you can't. You can't, Mark. Can't be slacking. No, you're gonna have to finish cutting that, I think. It's kind of stuck. I gotta get my Thor bar up there. There, we'll get the Thor bar up there. Watch this. Where's it at?
Hey, I'm in here. Crazy, man. I don't want to hit that foam again. Oh, we didn't hit the foam again. It's a whole pile. I mean, I'll lift all that shit, too. I know, it's a big old pile. Seen you struggling when you carry it.
Oh, I do.
A lot of weight. Tattooed everywhere, man.
Don't cut it anymore. Let me get some weight off here.
Don't step on a nail, Eddie. I'll just look at you.
Yeah.
Clean nail, no rust up.
Oh, yeah. Let me get out here this big old Kincaid one. This Kincaid wood right here. Look at it. Oh, crap. I know. Shit happens.
Come and get all the credit. Try to punch in at 8:30.
Yeah.
Better. First to not get extra hours when everybody else does. You know who was here for you, most of Yeah, you have to pick it up. I don't like that. I'm old. I'm not that way. Oh, yeah.
Look at that pile already knocked the rubble. Let me get this other big old kickstand out of here. Big old dog leg. Look at the size of this dog leg. Oh God. That was a big dog leg right there. Don't care what they say.
Hi, Toady. I lick this toad. Toad licker. I was gonna knock those things off first.
Okay, you can knock the
We're
feet
gonna
off.
get ahead of the game. I got my bar on hand. In my hand. Take that bar. Okay, he's the same.
Build, build, build. Look at the destruction. Look at this.
Okay, it's the same. So I go, I don't want to do that, but I'm really such so.
It's like a dentist pulling the
Paid
teeth.
same no matter what you're doing. When you sit on your ass, you're still getting paid the same. Quick and through.
Yep, that's what you do. Just get it done.
Andy hasn't said, hey, you guys need to fucking pick up the pace, quit shit. And he hasn't said nothing like that.
Yeah, we'll be
I feel tempted if I sit there.
absolutely well. The day don't go by if you ain't busy.
It's going slow here, so I think we took a minute breaks. Still kicked ass.
We killed it for what we did, dude. That's most of this was screwed on the front. Couldn't get this off. Couldn't get on
I
it.
said, dude, at first he offered me $5,000 just to do what I did. I blew through that so fast. But before I blew through it, he says, oh, I'll give you another couple grand to take down the walls. Because that'll only take a day. So, yeah. But then, you know what? Yeah. He'll be all right. He's got a lot of work here. You can always say, nah, I need more. I'll come back if I get more.
We got this Kubota loaded up. We're about to put some more load on her. Take this
You
all.
got this 2x8 anywhere?
Put it on top, and then
And all over there?
I'll stop and put it over there.
Oh, this is going over there?
Some of it is. I'll sort it. I take a few pieces, and then the rest goes down to the other pile.
I'll start taking down these 2x8.
Yeah, and anything else we can get on here. These little dudes. Right here. Yeah, right here.
This one and that one.
And them ones.
Hey, that dude don't mind digging nails. When I left, he was digging nails. Then he must have went back over and put all them boards up in the rain. It started raining a little harder.
No kidding.
And that was at 7 o'clock. So he went and put all those boards down the side basically from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock or so whenever he left. For a guy that can't hardly walk and he's got all that shit, he gets around and does shit, man.
Yeah, he kills it.
Fuck. It's hard to keep up with. I worked with him before I know. When he had me down there doing that shit, but he had a plan and it all went perfect. So, okay, I'm ready when you are.
And I'll be back for the little stuff. No, I gotta unload. Yeah, he does some shit.
Okay.
Turn your music back on, Roos. Until next time, more work, more sorting. Thanks for watching. DIY, the pro you need to know.